Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a template in Notion. So you just move your cursor down to the bottom right or the center part and click on the templates button and it will take you to this called Marketplace where they have different templates. You can browse them, see which ones you like. They will say if they're free or they cost money. So we'll just try to do a free one for now. Let's see, to-do list. Okay, if you click on it, um, it opens up in a new tab and you can then preview it by clicking on preview. Make sure you like it. We don't want to clutter our workspace with a bunch of templates that we're not going to use. So it looks, okay, cool. So we go back and just click add. And the template gets added, the page gets duplicating, you can dismiss it. For something like this, it only takes a few seconds. So, well, okay, maybe not. And just wait. And it has been added. So it's now in my workspace, which will show up here. And I can fill it out and it's all ready. So there you go. Hope that helps. Thank you.